Hi guys, this is Sangeeta. Nowadays we are struggling to clear many of the exams, competitive exams, like BORC exam, CSA, or NET exam, and then a GATE exam too. That's why I'm interested to make a video on chemistry. Okay, let us enter into our topic. Today our topic is group theory. Question. In this question they are asking irreducible representation. They are already given C3V point group and reducible representation. Okay, now we have to calculate for irreducible representation. What is the formula is 1 by order. Order is nothing but here 1 E1 and 2 C3 and 3 sigma V. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. So totally 6. Equal to 1 by 6. This is for A1. So A1 equal to 1 by order, that is 1 by 6 into other things. Other things means here 1 E1. So 1 into 1 into 6. So becomes 6. And then here 2 into 1 into 3. So 6. And then here 3 into 1 into 0. Anything with 0 is 0. So 0. So 2 A1 and then A2. Again 1 by order equal to 6 and then 1 into 6 is 6 plus 2 into 1 into 3 is 6 plus 0. So here also 2 A2. For E is 1 into 2 into 6 is 12. 1 by order equal to 6. That 1 into 2 into 6 is 12 and then 2 into minus 1 into 3, that is minus 6. So we get 1 E1. Finally we have to write like this 2A1 and 2A2 and 1 E1. So now we go to the options. First option is E1 2A, A1 2A2 and then 2E1 plus A1 plus A2. We are already calculate this. That one is 2 into 2A1 and 2A2 and 1 E1. So option 1. And then next question is they are already given pi and then pi 2. For kth atom of butadiene. Kth atom of butadiene is like this. Here plus 2p3 plus 2p4. So all are plus. So plus. It all the atoms are plus means it give that one is A1. So A1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that one is A1. The simple thing is what we have to remember means A1 into anything equal to anything. So next one is pi 2. Pi 2 equal to plus minus minus plus. Now we come to this character table which contain plus minus minus plus means that is B2. So A1 into B2 equal to B2. So both the axes are B2. This one is a 4-mark question in CSIR. All I take this session is CSIR questions. And then we come to third question. In this question they are what they are asking means allowed transition A1 to B1 is dash polarized. Now we have to calculate. I already told any A1 into anything equal to anything. So A1 into B1 equal to B1. B1 is which containing means here the options are Z, Y, X and then Rx. This is a question only. So B1 is contains which one means X polarized. So X polarized. This is also 4-mark question. We have to attempt which one is a very easier question in CSIR exams. That's why we can get more marks. So we have to first plan what are the questions we are going to attend, and then we have to study that topic. So next question is IR active modes in Pyridine. They are give group point group table, character table. So we have to calculate reducible representation and irreducible representation. This is the pyridine molecule CH, H, H, and here H, H. First we have to find the reducible representation. So E, C2, sigma V and sigma dash V. This is X per atom, and then number of unshifted atom. So X per atom is, in all the cases, E is 3 and C2 is -1, sigma V is 1 and then sigma dash V is 1. This is a constant value. Now we have to find number of unshifted atoms. For doing the E application means all identity. Identity means no one atoms are not displaced. So totally how many atoms we have means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 atoms. For C2 operation, we have to pass the axis like this. For H, C and nitrogen. So passes through 3 atoms. So 3. And sigma V is like this axis. Here the plane is one axis and then this one is y axis and the plane is z axis. So it passes through 1, 2, 3. So 3. And then sigma dash V means it passes through z axis and x axis like this. So 11. Finally we have the reducible representations of 33, -3, 3 and 11. Now we have to calculate the irreducible representation. Irreducible representation equal to 1 by order. 1 by order into other things. So equal to 1 by here order is 4. For A1 we have to multiply all those things. 33 -3 plus 3 minus 11. Finally we get 11 A1. For A2 1 by 4 into 33 -3 -3 minus 11. So we get 4 A2. Like this we have to calculate B1 equal to 7 B1 and B2 equal to 11 B2. Finally we have to add like this 11 A1 plus 4 A2 plus 7 B1 plus 11 B2. This is the irreducible representation. For vibrational means equal to transitional plus rotational. So rotational means in character table, in which of the axes are containing R means that one is rotational. For rotation, here A2 and RY is for B1 and RZ for B2. So it is rotational equal to A2 plus B1 plus B2. For transitional means which are the containing XYZ. Here Z, here X and here Y. So A1 B1 plus B2. So A1 plus B1 plus B2. Now we have to add this. So A1 plus A2 plus 2B1 plus 2B2. Vibrational equal to A1 plus A2 plus 2B1 plus 2B2. Now we have to subtract this with irreducible representation. Irreducible representation is 11 A1 plus 4 A2 plus 7 B1 plus 11 B2. And vibrational is A1 plus A2 plus 2B1 plus 2B2. So finally we have 10A1 plus 3A2 plus 5B1 plus 9B2. In this character table, we are containing Z, X and Y or IR active modes. IR modes equal to Z, X and Y polarized. So that means A1, B1 and B2. Here 10A1 plus 5B1 plus 9. So 10 plus 5 equal to 14, 14 plus 9 equal to 23 modes. 23 modes are IR active. So the option is 24. So 24, it's correct only, not 23, 24. And then in this question we have to find the Mulligan notation. Here first step is E. E equal to plus 1 means 1 dimension, plus 2 means 2 dimension and 3 means 3 dimension. Here 1, so 1 dimension. 1 dimension means A1, A2, B1, B2. Next one is rotational axis, principal axis is plus 1. So plus 1 means equal to A1 or A2. And then for I, inversion center is minus 1 means A2. And then sigma h is minus 1 means double prime. And then single prime is single prime. Single prime is plus 1 and the double prime is minus 1. So minus 1. And finally this one is minus 1 for unzeroed. So this one is A2 double prime unzeroed. Okay guys, if I take a long video means you will get bored. That's why I decided to stop this video by this question. In next chapter I will continue.